In this video, we're going to go back in time and learn about the story of money. Let's get started. Long ago, before cash money was invented, people used something called the barter system. With barter, people exchanged goods directly, like a fruit farmer trading their fruits for a dairy farmer's milk. But barter had a problem. It wasn't always easy to find someone that wanted what you had, or had what you needed. In time, ancient civilizations realized that using gold was an easier way to trade. People valued gold. And gold was easier to exchange than things like cows or grain. Fast forward by a few centuries, and paper money came onto the scene. Paper money started as a promise note given by banks in exchange for people's gold. People loved that the paper was lightweight and more easy to carry than heavy gold coins. As technology developed, plastic cards, like credit and debit cards, were invented, and it became even easier to spend money. With a debit card, people could now access the money in their bank account, with no need to carry the cash. And with a credit card, people could now borrow money from the bank to buy stuff now. With credit cards, people could wait to repay the bank the money they were spending at a later time. Today, we can also exchange money by storing our card information on what is called a digital wallet. A digital wallet is stored on our phones. The digital wallet has become an easy tap and pay for people all over the world. Within this digital age, cryptocurrency was also invented. Cryptocurrency is a newer type of money. It has no physical format. It is invisible and only exists on computers. It is controlled by the group of people that own cryptocurrency, and not by any one government or country in the world. Today, cryptocurrency is not yet widely exchanged, but in time, could it become the most popular currency being used in the world? In the end, with the fast pace of change in the story money, it is super important for all of us to learn and find ways to make the most of the money we have.